old houses, centuries, 100, 200-year-old houses are there. And government they want to break those houses. So because we Goans, we are keeping quiet. That's why they're taking advantage of us. Ekta is down. We have to fight him together.
Okay, Soil, can you tell us what was this meeting really about? Why the people of Varca in this particular ward gathered here?
So it's not only the people from one ward. It was a last minute call. Today afternoon we decided and posted it, but still quite a few people came in support. It shows how many people love our Goa and love our Varca. So this meeting was for multiple reasons. One is there's one big project that is coming up here in Varca. It's a resort is what I heard. But there's a big resort that is coming up here in Varca. But that resort is not going to benefit us much. In our Varca, we have already around 6-7 resorts. None are running on their full capacity. So as far as business goes, it's not going to increase our tourism, I would say it's going to reduce our tourism. Why? Because they're going to destroy our beauty, our green beauty. What people come here, what people come to Goa for? They come to see our natural, our beaches, our culture and all. This is all ruining it. The property also where they want to put that resort, it has all vegetation over there. Trees are there. It's got an ecosystem of its own that they want to chop off and put over there. Second is our Varca, we are facing a lot of issues. We have water shortages, electricity issues, garbage issues. We don't have any sewage issues also we have. We have so many issues, but still we are getting all these big resorts, so many multi-dwelling projects. Huge projects are coming up, housing projects. Housing as in they are to be sold commercially, not for people's benefits. They're putting all these projects and straining our resources. We do not have the capacity. Today we have shortage of water. Those who are using the government PWD line, they cannot fill their tanks. They are not getting proper water in their taps. It comes as a trickle. That is a clear sign that we do not have the capacity for these projects. But no one is listening to us. So we finally said we are going to get together and make our voice heard. So that is the reason we've come here together.
Recently we have seen the Betalbati village. They have posted a banner on all the boundaries saying that beware on purchasing land because their carrying capacity is out.
Exactly.
So is this a really message you want to give to the village of Varca?
It is a message from the villagers of Varca to all those who want to come and invest here in real estate, because that is what everyone sees, that Goa will just invest in real estate and they don't go to see the ground reality. So yes, that is the message that we, the villagers of Varca, want to give others, that we have exceeded our carrying capacity.
Okay. And any other villagers have told you regarding what are the problems you have faced in your village beside mega projects? This is all about mega projects which is happening.
This is not only about mega projects, it's also about the issues like I said, we're having water issues and all that affects us directly, right?
Okay.
In even electricity, in a day's time we lose power at least 10-15 times. 10-15 times you're losing power. Those are all clear signs that we've exceeded our limit.
So what is your future plan? How you are going about it to all the people of the village?
So we're calling everyone together. We're having a signature campaign and we want to call a special Gram Sabha to tell the Panchayat that we the villagers, we know what is going on. We see what is going on. We are seeing the destruction of our village. We are fed up and please listen to us. You have to listen to us because we are the ones who elected you all. And you can't say that you all don't have power because that is a lie. We know that you all have the power. Final issuing authority for construction license is the Panchayat. So you all have to listen to the people because we are the ones who brought you all into power.
Okay.
So we want our demands to be met.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.